It is not satisfying enough for me to have it hanged on the wall. I like how people would actually walk around my work. My name is Zeinab Alhashemi. I'm an Emirati conceptual artist. For this collaboration, I've worked with Saint-Just, which is a glass manufacturer based in Saint-Étienne. My work is called Metamorphic. It speaks about the changes in topography with interference of industrial and nature. In the process, making the glass, we were more interested in perfecting the colors of Saadiyat Island and the colors of land and water. I really felt the importance of bringing in second raw material, which is the reinforced metal bars. That very basic and raw material has the right to be in an art space, and that geometry could remind us of the Mashrabiyya. I have the obsession of layering things and repeating them many times. Metamorphic came to life through bringing in reality into art.